Hi everyone, it's Rich Soderquist from Real Sweet Outdoors. During the last Michigan Kayak Trail Tournament up on Muskegon Lake, during the measure-in, we had a chance to take a look at the new Old Town Predator PDL. We did an unboxing and took a look at this great new kayak. It's got a ton of new features. It's got a maintenance-free, award-winning forward and reverse pedal drive. It's got a new patented easy docking system. It's also carrying a 5-year warranty. This thing is awesome. It's got the new shallow water anchor mounting area with pre-drilled holes, universal transducer mount, and just a bunch of features. Really keen on is it's got the new EVA foam deck pads. It's going to make the standing a lot more comfortable and just safer. It's got some built-in accessory tracks on the front and rear mounting plates. That's going to make it real easy to mount a variety of different equipment. It's got forward-facing rod holders, a large bow hatch with quick seal cover. It's got a new rectangular dry hatch on the PDL with some bungee covers. It's got a bunch of different new features, including a composite rudder for better control and maneuverability. It's got some element seating, same thing that they've had out before. It's just really nice seating with a gear storage pocket. And we've also got an oversized Exo Ridge tank well for the cooler and gearbox in the back. I think everybody's going to like it a lot, especially with that new universal transducer mount. In the video, you're going to see us unbox and walk down the kayak. It's going to retail for about $24.99. I've been running the Predator MX paddle kayak this year, and I really like the stability. And I think with this new one, it's only going to get better. Remember, if you like what you're seeing here, I would really love it if you would subscribe to the channel. We're trying to build our subscriber base. Like, sharing the video. It always helps us out. Thanks again for watching. Live at Water Dog Outfitters. John and Company unboxing the new 220 Predator PDL 2020 model. Is that what it is, guys? Awesome. Brand new, hot off the presses. Fresh out of the plastic. What's it retail for, guys? Awesome. Put the steak short tees underneath it. $2020 Predator PDL. Alright, let's walk this bad boy down. It is absolutely crazy. It's got the battery box all built in. Locks down in. Mounting plates, fore and aft. It's got the new pedal drive. Locks in. These have built-in slides. Nice little box. Locks in. The pedal drive locks in. It's got the side holders. Adjustable seat. Also has your steering mechanism. Something new this year is the built-in handle into the steering. Very cool.
another nice storage unit. And the traditional Old Town seat, but adjustable. So this is the new feature for 2020. It's got the grab handle built right in. All in all, I say this is going to be one of Old Town's very, very good.
Hey everybody, Water Dog Outfitters from Whitehall, Michigan has been sponsoring the Michigan Kayak Trail, and recently I bought this custom trailer from them. That's the place you want to go if you need a good Old Town kayak or you just need any advice about kayak bass fishing or kayaks in general. They've got a really nice store. If you get a chance, visit them and share the love. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.